Hi folks, let's talk about customer service and repairability of my machines. So hopefully, whether you like me or not personally, hopefully you understand that I know as much about steamers as anybody out there, especially my own brand. I am pretty much almost 100% at diagnosing a problem if I get the right information. Now, I don't require the machine to come back to me for repair. If you judge yourself as mechanically inclined or you know somebody that's mechanically inclined, I have no problem sending you the part. These machines are not that difficult to fix. We've designed them to where once you take the lid off either the 75 or the 100 or the two side panels off the 125, they're easy to fix. All the components are right there. It's not like fixing a car. It's not like fixing a washing machine or an air conditioning unit. These are not complicated machines to fix, especially once I send you the part, you have the new part in your hand, you know what that is, and there's the old part. Most of them are screw out, screw in, maybe a slight adjustment, and we're done. It saves time shipping it to me, it saves possible damage of the steamer. Overall, you're gonna get your machine repaired a lot quicker. And again, look, stuff's gonna break. If you use it every day, all day long, stuff is gonna break. I have every single part in stock. I've never run out of a part. And if you ask me enough questions and I ask you enough questions, we'll get to the bottom of what's going on with it, and I'll send you the part to repair it. So hopefully that leads my customer service hopefully above some of my competitors that are out there.